All right, so this week's update for the Volunteer Fire Academy is going to have some really cool videos and photos that we're going to show you guys because we were working on techniques for dumpster fires and car fires. So those are two unique situations that you have to know how to approach the vehicle, how to approach the dumpster, the techniques to get the hood released and doors open, all that stuff. We do have a lot of junk vehicles here at the MAAC. We are fortunate to have those for extrication and things like that. But it would be a little bit of an inconvenience if we kept burning cars over and over again. So we have this steel car that is pretty heavy duty, and it does everything you need to. You'll see in the videos. We are coming up and forcing with tools, forcing the hood open, and then under the hood we can get the fire out. So both of these props are fed by propane. So there's an instructor who is there, handling the controls, and there is wood in here to, get the flames more realistic and to keep them kind of going and to add to the smoke and the elements to it. But the instructors can really, make sure that the flames are going until these students do a really good job in it. So you'll see how that worked with the car, but we would come to the hood, open the hood, and there'd be one team with tools, the other team would come behind them with the hose, dump it into the hood compartment, then go over to the doors, open the doors, and it was kind of like the team with the tools was going around and opening the doors, and the hose team was coming right behind them and dumping the water into all parts of the vehicle. And then we went around to the hood, this side of the doors, and then that team was done. The hose team would finish their job. We had another team on standby for backup. And so we got to do that with the car. And then again with the dumpster, same thing. It's propane fed. There's wood in there, but we were able to have some really good dumpster fires going. You'll see in the videos, it's taking 3, sometimes 4 people to carry the hose in a way that, the person with the nozzle isn't having to really do all the work and strain themselves too much to get the hose where it needs to go. It's the job of the backup person and even the 3rd and 4th backup person to carry that weight and do that work so that the nozzleman doesn't have to do have all that fighting to get the water where it needs to go. And so it's a lot of team effort. And again, it's always fun in the academy when we get to do some live fire stuff. So it was a really cool week, really cool hands-on, a lot of stations. We worked really quickly. Everybody's really into it. Everyone's getting a lot better with getting their gear on and getting all the tools, knowing how to use the tools and all that. So just another example of what the MAAC has to offer for the firefighters who come here and train from local departments and across the state to the academies that we host are able to use all these props. We have other propane props that are also fed by the same lines. And so just again, that experience is really something that you can't replicate without having props and facilities like the MAAC. So hope you guys enjoy the videos and stuff, and we'll be back next week with another update.